Mother Teresa was born on August 26, 1910 in Skopje, then part of the Ottoman Empire, now North Macedonia. She grew up in a modest household, surrounded by poverty and faith. From a young age, she noticed suffering everywhere: hunger, disease, and despair. Her breakfast was always simple, often just a slice of bread or a small piece of fruit. Sometimes she drank warm tea or milk. Even this modest intake had a profound effect on her body. Low glucose in the morning kept her insulin levels steady. Her mitochondria adapted to burn fat efficiently. Energy was consistent, her brain stayed sharp, and attention remained high. Lunch was equally humble: boiled vegetables, rice, lentils, and occasionally a piece of fruit. Low fat, low sugar, high fiber. The fiber nourished her gut microbiome, creating short-chain fatty acids. These molecules reduced inflammation in her organs. Her heart and blood vessels remained resilient under stress. Her immune system stayed balanced, not overactive or exhausted. Dinner was often light or sometimes skipped entirely. This pattern mimicked fasting. Fasting activated autophagy, the body's internal repair system. Damaged proteins and organelles were recycled. Oxidative stress decreased. Her liver efficiently detoxified the body, and ketone bodies fueled her brain. Even with little sleep and high stress, her nervous system adapted. Cortisol levels remained regulated, her heart rate variability stayed stable, and her brain maintained clarity. She joined the Sisters of Loreto at age 18 in 1928, leaving home forever to pursue her calling. Her life in India was far from easy. She arrived in Calcutta, Kolkata, in 1929, witnessing extreme poverty, sickness, and death. Her days were long and physically demanding, walking miles, carrying the sick, cleaning wounds. Her disciplined diet allowed her body to endure extreme fatigue without collapse. Simple meals combined with purpose-driven activity kept her cells efficient, inflammation low, and metabolism stable. Mother Teresa founded the Missionaries of Charity in 1950, dedicating her life to the poorest of the poor. Every hand she held, every patient she comforted, stimulated the release of oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin in her brain, reinforcing her compassion biologically. Her acts of love were not just spiritual, they literally reshaped her physiology. Despite extreme stress, exposure to bacteria, and disease, her immune system remained surprisingly resilient. Calorie restriction, low animal protein intake, and fasting cycles protected her heart, liver, and kidneys. Her nervous system stayed calm despite the chaos around her. Her mental clarity, discipline, and endurance were a combination of purpose and biology working together. She won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979, but she never changed her lifestyle. Simple sandals, simple robes, simple food. Her mission mattered more than comfort. Mother Teresa passed away on September 5, 1997, in Kolkata, India. She was 87 years old. A fragile body had survived decades of extreme stress and hardship. Her longevity, energy, and clarity were not magic. They were the result of disciplined nutrition, cellular efficiency, and a life of purpose. Mother Teresa proved something extraordinary. A simple diet can fuel an extraordinary life. Purpose-driven living can optimize human physiology. Compassion practiced daily can literally reshape your biochemistry. And history remembers her, not just for her faith, but for the resilience in biology that carried her through a life of selfless service.